Qdoba Mexican Eats, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission and Vision of Qdoba Mexican Eats. Qdoba Mexican Eats is a fast casual Mexican restaurant chain known for its customizable burritos, bowls, tacos, and famous three-cheese queso. The company was founded in 1995 in Denver, Colorado by Anthony Miller and Robert Hauser. Qdoba earns money by selling freshly prepared meals through dine-in, takeout, catering, and digital ordering. Their mission is to serve bold flavors with fresh ingredients, and their vision is to grow as a leading Mexican fast casual brand across North America. Are you wondering if a Qdoba franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll give you key information about Qdoba, from the brand's mission and vision, through its business model, to the support it offers to franchisees. This will help you make an informed decision about investing. 1. How does a Qdoba franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Qdoba operates on a franchise system with over 700 locations, around 80% of which are franchised. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the Qdoba brand, following strict standards for food quality, service, and layout. Fee structure? Franchisees pay an initial fee of $4,000, plus 5% royalty and 2.75% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Qdoba. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, and marketing. Qdoba offers ongoing support through field consultants, digital platforms, and a franchise advisory council.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Michigan added a local salsa recipe to their catering menu and saw a 22% increase in repeat orders from nearby offices.
2. Entry costs for Qdoba. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $500 to $1,194,000 for traditional locations. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses and legal fees, pre-opening payroll and training. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per unit is around $1,400,000. With profit margins from 10% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $14,000 to $25,000 annually.
Anecdote. One Qdoba in Texas hit $1.6 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a university and a queso happy hour campaign.
Step by step. How to register a Qdoba franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend interviews, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $1,000 and liquid assets of $5,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During Discovery Day, one applicant brought their homemade guacamole to share and was offered a franchise spot after impressing the team.
4. Taxes and fees in Qdoba. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax, from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Some states may also charge industry-specific fees for alcohol licenses or catering permits. Licensing fees? These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees? Qdoba charges 2.75% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes digital campaigns, seasonal promotions, and brand partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida used their local marketing budget to sponsor a taco trivia night and gained 1,100 new loyalty app signups in one weekend.
5. Hiring employees in Qdoba. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Qdoba location needs from 25 to 40 employees, including cooks, servers, prep staff, dishwashers, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,000 to $7,000, depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through in-person sessions and digital modules. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a multi-week onboarding program. Crew members use Qdoba's e-learning platform and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Arizona trained their entire team using Qdoba's digital platform and won Best Guest Experience in their region just 2 months after opening.
6. Qdoba. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information. Monthly. Ingredients and resources. $1,000 to $18,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $18,000 to $36,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $5,000 to $1,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $1,800 to $4,000 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $1,200 to $2,800 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $2,500 to $4,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $3,000 to $5,500 per month, including sales and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, and income tax.
Anecdote. One Qdoba in California served over 8,000 burritos during a Cinco de Qdoba weekend, forcing the team to restock tortillas 3 times in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Qdoba help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a multi-week onboarding program that includes in-person training at certified Qdoba locations and corporate headquarters. Topics include food safety, menu prep, customer service, inventory and financial management, operational support. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant, FBC, who provides ongoing guidance in operations, staffing, and marketing. Support includes quarterly performance reviews, benchmarking, and access to proprietary systems. E-learning platform. Qdoba offers a digital training system for crew members, including interactive modules, videos, and quizzes. It's updated regularly to reflect menu changes and operational updates. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. Qdoba also provides branded assets, social media templates, and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Oregon used Qdoba's e-learning platform to train a team of college students and won Best Team Efficiency in their region after just 1 month of operations.
Jersey franchise inspections in Qdoba. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Qdoba Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Qdoba location in Illinois passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Golden Queso award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Qdoba. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Franchisees earn average annual revenues around $1,400,000. With profit margins from 10% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $14,000 to $25,000 per year. Buys, ROI. Return on investment ranges from 10% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, customizable menu options, impulse-driven purchases, and strategic placement in high-traffic areas. Locations near schools, colleges, and shopping centers tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Nevada broke even in just 32 months, thanks to a location near a tech campus and a bowl and beverage combo promotion that boosted repeat visits by 24%.
10. Qdoba in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Qdoba operates over 700 locations across the U.S. and Canada, making it one of the top fast casual Mexican chains. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding through digital ordering, loyalty programs, and new formats like ghost kitchens and non-traditional venues. In 2025, Qdoba added 20 new U.S. locations and launched a sustainability initiative focused on packaging and food waste reduction. Challenges. Rising food costs, labor shortages, and competition from Chipotle, Moe's, and Taco Bell have impacted margins. Qdoba responds with menu innovation, tech upgrades, and flexible build-outs. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through value dining trends, loyalty programs, and family-focused promotions. The U.S. fast casual Mexican market is projected to grow from $9.8 billion in 2025 to $13.2 billion by 2030, CAGR 6.2%.
Anecdote. In 2025, Qdoba launched its first Qdoba Express concept in a college town, and saw a 28% increase in lunch traffic within the first quarter.
11. Pros and cons of a Qdoba franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition in fast casual Mexican dining. B. Customizable menu with fresh ingredients. C. Strong digital ordering and loyalty platform. D. Backed by Modern Restaurant Concepts Group. Cons. High initial investment. B. Competitive market with similar concepts. Key, limited international presence. Operational complexity during peak hours.
Anecdote. One franchisee in New Jersey said, "Qdoba gives you the flavor, the freedom, and the fans. You just need to bring the hustle."
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Qdoba owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Qdoba's training, tech, and marketing support with other Mexican fast casual brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a sandwich brand, until they saw Qdoba's queso margins and realized bowls were the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Qdoba franchise for, and is it worth investing? Qdoba Mexican Eats is ideal for entrepreneurs who love bold flavors, high-traffic retail, and a proven fast casual model. With average annual revenues around $1,400,000 and profit margins from 10% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it one of the more stable opportunities in the Mexican fast casual category. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $500 to $129,000, and Qdoba enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited in terms of menu customization, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Qdoba is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for hospitality and crave-driven retail. If you're ready to lead a team, serve flavorful burritos, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Qdoba in Chicago broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 8,500 burritos and 400 gallons of queso in 24 hours. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. 1. Schlotzsky's. Is Schlotzsky's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.